freeway, y'all. They plowed it a little bit. We on the freeway, it's alright. The main road was still bad. This is only my second winter owning a pickup truck. I've always owned a car. I never owned an SUV or nothing. And I'm gonna tell you, man, I bought this thing with like 74,000 miles on it. Got 84,000 miles on it now. I was really thinking about selling this thing. It's real clean. No, I might have to always keep a truck for real. It's Northeast Ohio weather. Moving along though, about 35 miles an hour. Few people out here. Oh man, look at that. Oh, dually with the fifth wheel on it. He's stuck. Oh, we're getting this little squirrely on this off ramp here. It's bad. Whew. A little squirrely right there. That dually with the fifth wheel camper, he was struggling over there on that on ramp. It probably wasn't plowed. We in four wheel high. We getting it. Still 35 miles an hour. My boy just called me, said 26 people called off from work. That's crazy. But it's understandable. There goes somebody in a pickup truck, he rolling. $84,903 original miles, 2000 Silverado. Getting it. Still on the road. So we about to get off the freeway, get on the side road. We're gonna see how bad this road is. The freeway it's not the greatest. It's definitely not the greatest. But they at least plowed it at some point. And cars been driving over it, so it's maintaining a little bit by itself. People are out though. People are riding, getting where they got to go. Oh, this street ain't bad. It's not bad. People been on it. Somebody in a Lincoln, probably all-wheel drive, little Lincoln KZ. Moving along. Alright, y'all. Well, I done made it, man. I made it to work. 10 inches of snow. Northeast Ohio. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.